Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reboot Optimum cable box quick step-by-step restart and reset guide. Now how to reboot Optimum cable box. Power cycle. Unplug the power cord for 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Then remote or button. Hold the remote's power button or the box's physical button for 10 seconds. Method 1. The quick power cycle standard boxes. Unplug the power cord from either the back of the box or the wall outlet, then wait for 10 to 60 seconds to let residual power fully drain out. After that, plug the power cord back in and wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the reboot to complete. Note: a text indicator like hold or turn on may cycle on the front panel. Once the time displays, press the power button to turn it back on. Method 2. LTE-1 boxes. Go to the front panel of the main LTE-1 box and press and hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds. The TV service will restart itself without interrupting your other devices. Method 3. Via System Menu. Open the Optimum TV menu using your remote and navigate to Settings. Then choose Device and Remote Settings and select Device Preferences. Now scroll to the bottom and select Reboot. Method 4. Hard factory reset. Locate the small reset button on the front or back panel of the unit, then use a pin or paper clip to hold the button down for 10 seconds and release when the panel lights turn off and let the system download a fresh configuration over 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.